Hi there, it's Kurt with Kurt Tanner Motor Cars. Today we have on offer this 1970 MGB GT. It's finished in blaze orange with black trim. It has a 4-speed gearbox. It has these reproduction MINILTE alloys, and very, very nice restored attractive car. Fantastic body and paint work. You know, we sell a lot of MGBs and they very rarely come in with, you know, very good high quality body and paint work, but whoever did this car, I'm very impressed. So it's finished in blaze orange, which is a factory color. One thing they did about this car, which I sort of like, is they filled in these body color molding, the molding strips, they filled those in and made them solid, so that gives it quite a bit of rust proofing on the exterior body panels, so there's no way for any rust to start around those rivets. We do have with the car a full set of body moldings if you wanted to put those back on. We also have all the moldings which go around on the rubber windshield inserts, so those are in great condition. They're like nearly new, or they've been restored in a bag. But a super attractive car. If you're looking for an MGB GT, these are very, very quickly up and coming in the market here. They're these very nice, stylish two-door GT coupes. I think they're prettier, and they're probably a bit more rare and desirable than the Roadsters right now. So it's very tough to get your hands on an excellent BGT, but there is one right here for sale that we have. So I'll take you around the car panel by panel. I don't think there's a mark anywhere on the body here. So it's got some custom halogen headlights. I love this brushed aluminum look on the grille. I think originally this year had a black grille, but I love what they've done here. Made that really clean and crisp with that aluminum grille. Yeah, I don't see any blems on the body at all. I don't see any chips or marks. It's just an excellent. Oh, there's a little bit of touch up under the badge here, but just an excellent, you know, body and paint. The guy just threw bucket loads of money at this and wanted just a fantastic body. So gaps are lovely. You can see down here on the rocker the door lineup. Really excellent fit. Great gaps all the way around. The aluminum and the chrome around the glass, and that's all in lovely shape. So super nice car. Let's look at the interior here. So it's trimmed in black, and real nice driver door panel. Passenger door panel's great. This dash is in fantastic condition. They have put a dash cap on it, which is a nice repair, but carpets are very good quality. Real nice thick carpets. Seats have been all redone. Headliner is original. That's in great condition. Back seat, of course, is all upholstered nicely. Let me flip this seat forward here and I'll show you. So there you go, very nice back seat here. Center console's been restored. It's got this nice leather wrapped wheel, so it has a kind of a little bit of a competition flavor about it, which I like. Back here is just mint, so it's got that original white headliner, and you can see how it just tucks down nicely into the trunk. So cosmetically, this car is a stud. I mean, it's lovely. So yeah, so this is 70. It's got the split rear bumper, which is a 1-year only make. There's the wheels, Pirelli, high-end Pirelli P400 tires. This car is tons of fun to go around the road in. Real grippy tires. You can see in the video preceding this walk-around video, I'm driving it around the streets here. So back of the hood's been painted beautifully. They have blacked out the engine bay, which may indicate a color change on this car, but This is all very clean and tidy. It's been detailed. So this is all in great shape. Mechanically great car. Runs, drives, stop steers. Real grippy tires, tight suspension, good brakes. Lots and lots of fun. These coupes, you can, this thing really barks nicely going around the road, and tons and tons of fun. Really nice, rigid, tight little driving two-door sports coupe. So yeah, like I said, these are gaining a lot of steam in the market, along with GT6s, and this is a very nicely restored one here. I don't think the owner cut any corners when he was doing all the cosmetics on it, and we are lucky to have this in inventory right now. So, but there you have it, 1970 MGB GT. It's finished in blaze orange with black trim, 4-speed MINILTE alloy wheels, fitted with those expensive Pirelli tires. It's cosmetically beautifully restored, and excellent mechanicals. The underside looks very good on the car. Great floors, great rockers, jacking points. Super nice old car. It's for sale right now on our website, www.kurttannermotorcars.com. These are nice little desirable two doors in this current market.